Namaskar. Throughout woman's life, the size of breast goes on changing. The reasons for this could be puberty, pregnancy, obesity, breastfeeding, genetics, and hormonal changes. Having large breasts can cause, however, discomfort, such as back and neck pain to some women. Today, let us look at some yogic techniques to reduce breast size naturally. The first technique is Surya Namaskar. It is not only a series of yoga asanas but also an excellent cardiovascular exercise. It not only just reduces breast size but also tones the muscles of chest. The other yoga posture which helps to reduce the fat and tone the chest muscles are Talasana, Chakrasana, Parvatasan with all variations, Matsyasan, Ushtrasan, Dhanurvakrasan, Gaumukhasan, and Yashtikasan. Some of these asanas are excellent chest openers that will help to reduce discomfort caused by large breasts and increase your mobility. Practice Bhastrika, which involves vigorous movements of your chest muscles. Spend at least 30 minutes daily to practice these techniques. And then do Yogendra Pranayam number 4 in a lying down position. This is a diaphragmatic breathing. And then do Shavasana to calm down. Massaging your breast with ice cubes when you feel tired can ease the feeling of heaviness and soreness. Maintaining a normal body weight also helps in reducing excess breast size. Reduce the portion size of your food at each meal and choose low fat options. Eat plenty of fresh seasonal fruits and vegetables. Monitor your consumption of milk and dairy products and see that your intake is limited according to your health need. Any extra fat which your body shows is direct result of your diet. Next point, clothes. Wear well-fitted clothes in a darker shade that do not hang on your body if you feel very conscious about the appearance of your breast. At all times, wear a supportive bra to ease any back or neck pain. You will find it amusing to know that in some culture, large breasts are considered attractive, whereas in some other culture, small breasts are considered beautiful. So you see, this concept of beauty is culture sensitive. If a size of breast brings you discomfort, then do something about it to make yourself feel better. But be proud enough and don't keep any impractical expectations when it comes to your appearance. As a woman, you should know that you are beautiful intrinsically. Learn to accept gracefully the beauty you are blessed with and live with contentment. Namaskar.